Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back.
And thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. As you will clearly see in this video tutorial, National Gear manufactured 3 new spur pinions for this Barber Greene Pugmill box. We're now doing a preliminary test trial. Make sure all the bearing floats and preloads were done correctly to Barber Greene standards at the Timken bearing standards. Let's take a quick peek in here, Isaac. We manufactured that spur pinion and these 2 spur pinions right here. The rest of the spur gears, we did a hand dress on them. Although they might seem cosmetically not so pretty, these gears are actually in perfect condition. And as you can see here, it's another project we're doing a rush repair on. Manufactured a new shaft, and we used some liquid nitrogen to shrink that shaft and heat up that bearing to get a nice interference fit. So, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All work here at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup and free freight nationwide. Thanks again for watching.